Yeah.
Yeah. So you need to use your database that you have created. Use it.
Mm.
I
Use.
told you how to use it.
Mm.
Use your database name.
Yeah. Yep.
Is it fine?
Yeah.
Okay. So you can check whether the table is created here or not. So type show tables. Is there a table?
No, there is nothing.
Okay. So what we will do, we will create a table now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So it is always advised to create a table before, not with the code, because your code will run several times. So you can't create a table repeatedly. The
Mm-hmm.
table should be created firstly only.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I will write a command for you here. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And on the basis of that command, we will create a table.
Okay.
Okay. So the command will be this. First is what was publisher. Type this command in the semicolon. Hi, Clary. Using right click, you can.
Okay. Oh, it will come as a.
Yeah, semicolon afterwards. Yeah, press enter. Okay, now the table is created. Now type show tables.
Okay.
Is the table visible?
Yeah.
Now you
Book.
want to see this table.
Yeah.
So what's the command to describe this table?
Um. Show schema.
No, no.
Mm.
Describe the table. It means you need to write describe first. DESC, it will find. DESC will also work the same. Then table name. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm.
So your database is created, your table is created. Now what we need to do is we need to insert our values.
Yeah.
Correct?
Mm-hmm.
Do one thing. The program which I've sent you, copy that program and either copy that program and we will paste that program in there only. Copy that
Which?
program that way I have sent you the last one.
This one.
Yeah, this one.
I'll save it in a new file.
No, in that file only, MySQL file.
After the printx.
Correct.
In the for loop or outside the for loop?
You need to remove that for loop.
Okay.
Correct. And my cursor.execute also.
Okay. My cursor.execute show table.
Yeah. Correct. Now do one thing. Cut all the imports from here and paste on the top.
Cut all the
Imports. Is this imports?
No, just till import JSON.
Correct. Cut it.
Before import
Wherever.
IS. Okay.
Wherever. Yeah, now it's fine. Okay, so we have put both the codes here. Okay, now what we will do, we will use this my cursor object to insert the values into a table. Getting it?
Okay.
So how to insert values? When I've told you to go through the W3 schools for MySQL, you have read about insert statements there.
Yes.
So insert statements are used to insert values into the table.
Value into the table.
So we will use those statements into our Python program.
Okay.
You have done everything on your command line, but now we will do using Python. So how it will work?
Okay.
So what we will need to do, we will need to prepare our query first. So that is insert into your table name is book. Okay. And what are the columns you are having? First column is book name.
ISBN.
Second column is ISBN. Third column is author. And fourth column is publish year. Publish underscore year. Okay. Values. What will be the values you will pass? You will pass the author name.
Okay. The name of the book. Name of the book. ISBN number, author name, and the publish year we have.
Correct. Okay. So this will be your SQL query. Okay. Now we will do one thing. Have you seen it?
Oh, yeah, the chat.
Yeah, open the chat. Copy this, the last one which I've sent. Copy this. So this will be your SQL query. Copy it. Go on that program. Now what we will do? So when to insert those values, in which method you want to insert those values? Into post. Correct.
Where I save the DAV values.
Yeah, correct. So do one thing. Instead of creating the book object, let it be. Instead it saving into the dictionary, comment that line.
The JSONify?
No. Saving into dictionary. Where you are saving into dictionary here?
Book is equal to book name, comma, ISBN.
Correct. So comment it. Jaya, what you are doing?
I did.
What I asked you to comment.
Comment the dictionary.
So is it dictionary? The below line is the dictionary line. It is to create an object.
Okay.
So in below line, you are saving it into dictionary. Yeah, this line. The above line is to create an object, book object. Comment it. Yeah. So after that line, you can paste that what I've sent you in the chat. Correct. So this is the line, or just close the inverted commas. So this is the query. What is the query? Insert into the table. Okay.
Table name.
The columns name. These are the
Column.
column names, and the value we will pass here. So see, we can't write the hard coded values here because we need to pass whatever the value we are passing.
Passing.
Correct. So we need to create those values dynamically. Okay. So what we will do, we will create those values. One is name, one is ISBN, one is author,
And
one is publisher. Is that fine?
okay. So here percentage S means you are giving it as a string, or the
String.
last character should
Correct.
be S.
No, it means like the string.
Okay.
Percent. I'm giving a string value here.
Okay.
Yeah. So I've sent in the chat. Can you please copy paste here? So to make your code look clean, just press enter after each and every step. Yeah.
Okay.
So there should be a line so that it will be visible clearly. Now you can combine this SQL and value line because these are related to one process only. Yeah, it is fine. Okay, now see, the SQL statement is ready. The values you want to put in instead of this percentage s is ready. Okay. Now what we need to do is we need to execute the query. So how to execute that query using mycursor.execute.
Okay.
mycursor.execute with SQL statement and values that we will pass.
Okay.
I've pasted in the chat.
So this goes before JSONify?
No, after that value. Yeah, before JSONify, after that value. So this is the single step we are doing, process now doing.
Okay.
So what you have done, you have created an SQL query. You have created a value tuple because the tuple is used to replace all the percentage s values in that query. You have executed the query. How have you executed the query? mycursor.execute. Okay. Now, see, there is one thing in MySQL. We need to commit each and every transaction. So this is a transaction.
Okay.
When you are interacting with a database, this is a transaction for a database. Okay. So you want to commit it. When you commit a transaction, the transaction is saved into a database. Okay. So we need to commit it. So we are committing on database. Correct. So we will use database object here. So mydb.commit you should use after it. mydb.commit. Yeah, save it. Now run this.
Okay, okay, now got it. Control.
Yeah, save it. The double underscore get removed here in the chat.
Yeah.
It has started.
Yeah.
Okay. Now do one thing. Hit the post endpoint that we have used into the postman. Just send it.
Yeah.
What is the error you are getting?
I'll just check.
Okay,
Table
we
book.
haven't changed the database.
Yeah.
We need to change the database to book underscore DB and restart it. Go into the connect method. Instead of word, type here book underscore DB. Save it. Now first check if the database is restarted or you need to run it again.
Okay.
The function is okay. It is
Yeah, restarting will start.
Okay. Now you can hit the post endpoint. You got the result?
Yeah, RK 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Jungle Book and 2022. But is this the same thing you have?
Yeah. Now do one thing. Go on the MySQL command line. The select star command you need to fire on your book table. MySQL command line.
MySQL command line.
Select star from book semicolon.
Does not exist.
Book DB. Why you are doing DB?
Oh. I'm sorry.
You need to remember like the naming convention.
Okay. Yeah.
Is it the record saved?
Yes.
So what you have now, this is permanent because like once you restart your server, earlier all the records were lost. So we need to again save the book and we need to again repeat the process. Now we don't want to have to do that because
Okay.
this entry is permanently saved.
Okay.
Okay. Now we need to do the same thing for select.
Okay.
So can you please show me the endpoints that you have created?
Endpoint.
Where? What do you mean by endpoints? API endpoints, REST endpoints. The
In
Flask
Postman.
application. No, the Flask application.
Flask application.
When I say where you hit the endpoints, then we need to go to Postman.
Okay.
When I say you show me the endpoints, then you need to go to this.
Good.
Okay. So we will search a book using its ISBN number. Okay.
Okay.
Correct.
Yeah.
So what we will do, we will prepare a query. Where query? Okay.
ISBN search part.
Yeah. Give me a minute. We can do like this. So let's start from book where ISBN is equals to %s. So this will be the SQL query, and the value will be the ISBN that we are passing. Okay. Now my cursor.execute will work as it is. Then what we will do, we will
IMDb.commit.
give me a minute. Let me check. No, it doesn't need to do any commit because this is a select statement and select doesn't need any commit. Okay.
Oh.
So this will be a tuple. Books is equals to my cursor dot fetch all. Write this much first. You understood where you need to write those?
Under the ISBN, get book by ISBN.
Correct. Here we are sure that we will have only one book with one ISBN number. Okay. So
Sorry?
what we will do this here we are sure that there will be one book with each ISBN number. ISBN number will be unique.
Okay, yes.
Okay. So what we will do, we will fetch the book details. Okay. From this books will be a tuple here. My cursor dot spelling is mistake. Spelling is wrong for my cursor. Second one.
Oh.
So my cursor dot fetch all will return a tuple to you. Okay. We can say list of tuples. Okay.
There is no
So
semicolon here, right?
Yeah, you can remove it. It doesn't have any problem in Python. Yeah.
Okay.
So books will be a list of tuples. Okay. And each tuple will carry the whole 4 columns you are having. Okay.
Okay.
So what we need to do, we need to fetch that book object from this. Okay. How to do it? So books will be a list. Okay.
Yeah.
So what we can do is we can do this like this name. That is ISBN and publisher. Okay. Then books will be this one, and then name ISBN author and do it like this. So what we are doing, we are unboxing the tuple, getting the value into name, ISBN, author. It will be author first. I have written author.
Okay, I'll correct it there.
And then use the fields to create an object, book object. Yeah. Yeah. So understood what we are doing?
No, this line, no.
Okay.
You're unboxing the tuple.
Correct. So books is a list.
Yeah.
And on each index, there will be a tuple. Okay. So books with 0th index, we have found the, what we have found? The tuple.
Jungle book and all that.
Yeah, the tuple, we have found it.
Yes,
Okay.
that tuple.
Now the tuple having 4 attributes. Okay. Because there are only 4 columns. So how many values will be there into tuple? 4 values.
4 values.
So the first value will be assigned to the name. The second value will be assigned to the ISBN number. The third value will be assigned to the author, and the fourth value assigned to be the publishing year.
Okay.
Now we have used the all fields to create object book.
Object book.
Yeah. So you need to comment this book object that is already created. Second top line. Yeah.
This one, right?
Yeah, correct. Yeah, and now please run it. Or check it whether it is already started or not.
Yeah, it is already started.
Yeah, you can use the get endpoint with the book ISBN number that we have used. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Give me a minute. Let me check it.
It is the /ISBN / I'll take a new tab and do.
It was already created. You need to search this tab. Okay. You can.
I had typed it as fetch. So here it is /ISBN /1 2 3 4 5 6.
Correct.
And get and then send. It's giving me error.
What is the error?
Tuple or dictionary.
Okay.
Not process the parameter. String 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it should be int that we.
Okay, no problem. Go to that code. So in that value, when you have passed this, write a comma after it. No, inside the tuple, inside that round bracket. After ISBN, write a comma. Print. Yeah, now it's fine. Now it is considering it as a tuple.
Okay. How is that?
So inside Python, like if you pass only the string inside a tuple, a single value, so it will not treat it as a tuple. So to make it as a tuple, you need to write more than 1 values.
Yeah,
so the second value is empty here.
Yeah, got it. Yeah, I understood.
Yeah, now you can hit that points again.
Yes.
Fetched?
Yes, fetched.
So the main thing, like how to insert a value, you have done it. How to fetch a value, you have done it. Okay. So are you comfortable? Are you sure that you can do the patch and delete now?
Yeah, I can
There,
try.
because there are only direct methods to patch or delete.
Yeah,
Okay,
it
so you
is
can
again
use them.
with respect to the codes, what the SQL codes that
Correct.
I have to write is where I'll.
Correct. So you have already gone with the SQL tutorial on W3 School.
Mhm.
So you can use those statements directly. Where in because in save we used insert statement. When we
Mm.
want to fetch, we used a select statement.
Select.
When you want
Mm.
to delete, use the delete statement. Delete from this table where ISBN is equals to percent
So
%s, and that value will be a tuple.
yeah, but when we are updating a book, if I want to update
Mhm,
a book, that
mhm.
means then I'll write the same command as what I wrote it in inserting the book,
No,
right?
so when you have gone through the tutorial, there was a update command. Update table name. Okay.
Table name,
Set
and we
set
have to give a
what you want to
condition.
set. No, no. Firstly, set. You need to set a value. Update
Uh-huh.
book set name is equals to name. Where now the condition starts.
Okay. Yes, yes.
Okay, so it will be fine.
Yeah.
Doesn't have any problem. So and if you stuck, just give me a mail or and ping me on WhatsApp. I will write a query. I will help inside it.
Okay. So when I'm writing here also, uh, it is before the if condition, right? That what I write. And again,
You need to figure out. Yeah, you need to figure out
okay.
it because it's a
Yeah,
logical one.
I'll do.
You
Yeah,
need to
I'll do it.
figure out. Yeah,
Mm, yep.
got it.
Oh, I hope so. I get it. Tomorrow we'll
Yeah.
be having classes, right?
No, no. Tomorrow we will not be having. So, like, if you face any problem, please let me know. I
Uh-huh.
will help you there. Like,
Okay, so today is the last class.
yeah, yes, yeah.
Oh, okay.
So a
Okay.
lot of
So
Python
I need to.
I've taught you.
Yeah, I know lots. I know um it was really amazing, but then yeah, I need to put a lot of hard work. I am just figuring out things. It was nice.
Yeah, do one thing, revise nice each and every
Mm-hmm.
concept, and
Yep.
do give interviews because you will get more confident from there.
Yeah. Can I ping you in your time? I mean, whenever you find
Yeah,
time, you
sure,
can reply back.
sure. Whenever you face any problem, just ping me directly.
Yeah. Thank you, Deepak. Thank you so much. I
Thank you.
You were of a great help. I never thought I could learn programming, but yes, you have put me in somewhere in a place wherein I can think, yes, I can do something. Thank you so much.
You can do easily do.
I
Yeah,
hope so.
Clary, you there, Clary?
Yes, I'm here. Sorry, the time doesn't really work with me, but yeah, I joined late.
Yeah, I saw it. So we were doing
Yeah,
MySQL connectivity today. Hope you seen it.
oh, okay. Yeah, I've seen it. Is there like any exercise or any
So actually, I and Jaya, what we
assignment?
are doing when we started Flask. So what we have done is we have created a project that is a book inventory. Okay. So firstly, we have done it. We had done it with like a temporary storage, that is our dictionary. Okay. Then what we have done, we have replaced the whole thing with the MySQL connectivity. So this is what we are doing. So if you have time, I have shared the codes on in like the chat. You can copy the code from there and then start putting MySQL over there.
Okay, was there a recording though?
Yeah, recording are there for both the lectures.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, yeah. So if you face any problem, just ping me. I will help you out over there.
Okay, thanks.
Anything
And
more?
one more thing,
Say that.
Deepak, for update, we do the um, post method only, right?
No, update means see, there are two types of update methods, patch and put. Okay.
Patch and
Put
put.
put we use rarely because if you are using put, it means like you need to update everything.
Okay.
If you are using patch, it means we are updating partially.
Okay.
So we will use patch in that case.
Patch. Okay. Okay. Like how we specified in the above things, like what is the method we are doing. We need not specify any method in any of the routes.
No, in routes we see if you don't put any method, then it will be a get method.
Or get
Okay.
method by
Yeah.
default.
When you put anything, then it will be the method you have put it. Like for example,
Automatically.
yeah, in save you use post method. You have
Post method.
explicitly put that.
Okay. Yeah. Got it.
Okay.
Got it. Yeah.
Yeah. Anything
Thanks.
else?
I hope so. No. Thank you, Deepak.